Hello everyone. My name is Joelle. Welcome to day 10 of our 28-day head-to-toe yoga challenge, where we'll be focusing on our wrists and our hands. So finding a nice straight spine, closing the eyes for a few deep breaths here. Asking yourself how your hands and wrists are feeling today. And then let's open the eyes, extend the arms out to the side, and start opening and closing the hands as fast as you can. So faster, 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 warming everything up here. And then bring the hands overhead and keep going, reach them tall. You can do it, stay with me. We're almost there. And shake that off, that is so much harder than it looks. Wonderful. We'll make our way onto hands and knees now. And stepping the hands a little bit further in front of you, let's inhale the body forwards into a cobra. And exhale back towards child's pose. The hips don't have to touch here. And keep that motion going. Inhaling forwards to cobra, pulling the shoulders back. And exhaling, stretching back towards child's pose. So keep going with your own deep breaths here, just a wave of motion through the body, really pressing the fingertips into the mat. Our hands do so much for us, and they deserve a little bit of love and attention for today. And you can release that motion. We'll come back to hands and knees and up onto the fingertips. So a real strengthening move here, and you could stay right there, or if you'd like, you can tuck the toes and hover the knees for a little bit of an extra strengthening challenge here. So really digging all 10 fingertips into the mat. And set the knees down, take the palms flat, bring them towards each other, and start to bring the body around in a big circle. So really pressing into the sides and going forwards. And then we'll turn the hands away from each other and again take the body in a big circle, this time the other way, so going towards the left now. Pressing into the hips, pressing into the shoulders. And coming back to center, face the hands forwards and then face them back. So fingers facing back towards the knees, and extend that left foot out behind you, pressing into the back heel. And now just face the fingers of the right hands forwards as we rock ourselves onto the right side. So we're in kind of a modified side plank here. Reach the left hand up to the ceiling. You might like to take some little wrist circles here in both directions, pressing the floor away with the right hand. And then coming back through center onto hands and knees, pointing both hands backwards again, and extending this time back through the right heel, pressing it away from you. Stretching into that calf and that ankle. As you enjoy this deep stretching sensation in the wrists. And then pointing the left hand back forwards, reaching the right hand up towards the sky, modified side plank. Maybe a few wrist circles here in each direction with that top hand. Before replacing that hand to the mat, setting both knees down and coming to sit back on your heels. Interlace the fingers in front of you and start to draw a figure 8 with those clasped hands, just a couple of times in each direction, just to shake everything off. And then bring the little finger of the right hand to the chest, so the palm is facing towards the right side of the body, and using the left hand to gently press against the back of the right hand. And shake that off. Try the other side. Palm of the left hand faces left with the little finger against the sternum. Using the other hand to encourage a bit of a deeper stretch. And then shaking that off and then bringing the backs of both hands together in front of the chest. A little bit of a reverse prayer here. And let it go. Wonderfully done. Closing the eyes, rolling the shoulders back. Bring the hands to a traditional prayer in front of the chest now. Noticing how just a few moments of activity and movement may have made a difference, whether to your wrists or hands or anywhere else in the body. And thanking yourself for the healthy habits that you're creating this month. And I do hope that those habits will continue tomorrow with day 11. We'll be moving to our mid-back. So join me for that, and until then, have a wonderful day. Namaste.